Number 1. 1964 Ford Fairlane 500, $4,950, La Mesa, California. This all-original 1964 Ford Fairlane 500 is powered by its factory 289 special 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The seller confirms solid body panels with no exterior rust, and all floorboards are exposed to show their structural condition. Only a small rust patch on the passenger side floorboard needs attention. The car was running perfectly when parked 3 years ago and should start with a new battery. With its clean title, straight body, and untouched white paint, it would make it an excellent restoration starter, tribute build, or period-correct Thunderbolt-style project. Number 2. 1962 Ford Thunderbird, $9,995, Shoreline, Washington. This 1962 Ford Thunderbird is a restoration-ready coupe showing 80,000 miles and carrying a clean title. It includes new tires, new brakes, and upholstery in good condition. The automatic transmission remains intact, but the presence of water in the oil suggests the engine may need replacement or a full rebuild. Structurally, the car is solid and complete, making it a promising foundation for enthusiasts who appreciate early 60s Thunderbird styling and luxury features. Number 3. 1965 Plymouth Belvedere, $10,000, Santa Barbara, California. A classic mid-60s Mopar, this 1965 Plymouth Belvedere presents with a clean title, 64,000 miles, and a solid 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The body is straight, the chrome remains attractive, and the interior is clean. It runs well and maintains strong vintage appeal. With its well-preserved condition and dependable drivetrain, it is suitable for collectors seeking a weekend driver with light restoration potential. Number 4. 1974 Buick Century, $8,495, Sparks, Nevada. This 1974 Buick Century sedan features a rebuilt 8-cylinder engine, new interior, dual Flowmaster exhaust, and new wheels and tires. Showing 71,451 miles, it is described in excellent condition. As a mid-70s Buick with front-wheel drive and classic American comfort, this Century offers a strong-running, refreshing example of General Motors' styling from the era. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet Nova, $6,500, San Leandro, California. This 1978 Chevrolet Nova 4-door sedan comes with a straight-six engine and automatic transmission, showing 60,000 miles, mostly freeway-driven. The interior features good leather, and the car runs well. With 90 horsepower and 175 pound-feet of torque, this model is known for its durability rather than performance. For buyers seeking an affordable, reliable late 70s classic with simple mechanical systems, this Nova is a practical choice. Number 6. 1971 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, $10,000, Roanoke, Texas. An all-original California car with a clean title, this 1971 Cadillac Coupe de Ville has 70,000 miles and was once owned by a major film director. It has won multiple car shows and remains straight, clean, and highly presentable. Powered by a large Cadillac V8 with automatic transmission, it runs and drives but may not start consistently due to a failing starter. As a well-preserved luxury coupe with strong provenance, it offers tremendous collectible value. Number 7. 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $500, Stanwood, Washington. This salvage condition 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a long-stored Proctor parts car. It contains a 1969 327 cubic inch engine with no intake manifold installed, and the vehicle has been sitting outdoors for over 15 years. Rust holes in the roof and a stuck 4-speed transmission further limit its viability. Despite having a clean title, this car is best suited for parts, especially for early third-generation Camaro enthusiasts seeking drivetrain components. Number 8. 1972 Lincoln Mark IV, $9 to $500, San Diego, California. This first edition 1972 Lincoln Mark IV features a unique early front sport bumper, excellent custom paint, and a clean interior. With only 31,800 miles, it includes new tires, new rotors, new brakes, and a new car cover. Powered by a smooth 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, it runs strong and shifts properly. As a luxury personal coupe, the Mark IV delivers classic 70s Lincoln presence with modernized upkeep. Number 9. 1970 Volkswagen Squareback, $6,200, Sacramento, California. This 1970 Volkswagen Squareback features a high-performance 2110 engine, a freeway flyer manual transmission, dual Weber carburetors, disc brakes, custom wheels, an EMPI shifter, and a custom removable dashboard. It runs well, even with older fuel, and has a clean California title. Interior components such as door panels and carpet need attention, and the paint shows aging with Bondo cracks. With extensive engine and transmission investment made in 2011, this Squareback is a solid base for a retro-style driver or full restoration. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro, $13,500, Scurry, Texas. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro features a 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, cold air conditioning, and only 46,000 original miles. The body has no rust, the interior is excellent, and all features function properly. New tires have been installed, and the car runs smoothly. Well cared for and highly preserved, this is one of the nicer late 70s Camaros available, ideal for first-time classic buyers or weekend cruising. Number 11. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $11,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Equipped with a 350 cubic inch two-barrel engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. This 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo presents as a solid, straight, rust-free example. With 122,732 miles, it runs and drives well. The Monte Carlo's long hood design and luxury muscle personality make it a dependable, stylish classic. Number 12, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $12,000, Summerlin, Nevada. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 T-Top shows 21,020 miles and comes in its original rare yellow exterior. The seller has replaced numerous engine components, including gaskets, hardware, alternator, distributor, ignition parts, water pump, radiator, lifters, rods, and a new brawler carburetor. The TH350 automatic transmission remains intact. Minor rust appears on the rear frame and under the rear seats, and the interior needs a few small adjustments. The clean title, 2-owner history, and extensive mechanical updates make this a strong late 70s Z28 choice. Number 13, 1962 Studebaker Hawk GT, $12,500, Salem, Oregon. This 1962 Studebaker Hawk GT is presented in great running and driving condition and is powered by a 289 cubic inch engine with a 4-barrel carburetor rated at 225 horsepower. A 4-speed manual transmission with a Hurst shifter and a twin-traction rear end enhance performance. The odometer has rolled over but shows 7,000 miles. Included with the sale is a complete second 1962 Hawk GT as a parts car, along with numerous new old stock parts. With a clean title and strong styling, this is an excellent opportunity for Studebaker enthusiasts.